Get out of the way, tree. Burj Al Arab in Dubai. Here we come. Today we are in the beautiful Dubai. We are flying directly at the Burj Al Arab building, tower as I like to call it. It's beautiful. We're going to thread the needle. Let's do a quick pass and say hello. Beautiful building. Saudis can make buildings, man, that's for sure. That thing. It's beautiful. Beautiful. She's a looker. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's go do this. Spread that needle. I like it when you're too aggressive on it. Way high. Nope, not gonna make that pass. Gentle with the Huey. Sometimes. Alright, we're in Dubai and we're gonna go do this Burj Al Arab building. We're gonna thread the needle. Come on, get up. I back and get it up. Wait a minute. There we go. Thread it. Thread it. Yep. Woo! That was a little iffy, I will admit. Better than I like it. Alright, here we go. You're gonna scream at me, I know you are, Huey. Don't do it. Not at this particular juncture. Oh, shit. It's kinda hard to know where those blades are gonna come through. Alright. Alright, look at that. Alright, let's do a little landing on it. Nice and easy. Touchdown. Not very. Oh. the gentle one will advantage. There you have it. She's beautiful. Boom, 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 boom. All right, let's get out of here. Woo! That's how you do that.